Sure. So Korea, I mean, used to be, it's a little bit less the case right now, but used to be very popular because of the so-called kimchi premium. That is a difference and an arbitrage opportunity between the price of Bitcoin outside of Korea and the price of Bitcoin within Korea. I'm not going to enter into the details of why that's the case, but that's the reason why a lot of foreigners were interested to go on cryptocurrency markets in Korea to trade in Bitcoins. So also something that most of our clients will know is that currently it's not possible for a non-resident individual to get a wallet on one of the cryptocurrency exchange in Korea. That's why most of them are interested instead to register a corporate entity that can avail of such a possibility. All right, so the first step is relatively easy. It's to register a company and get a company number. That can be done within 1 to 2 weeks from receipt of the documentation in Seoul. It's a very straightforward process. You just need to send apostille copies of your due diligence documents and sign forms. We submit the application, and 2 weeks later, you have a COI and a tax registration number. The next step is a little bit more challenging. It's to open a corporate bank account, and you need to look for basically the bank that partners with the cryptocurrency exchange you are aiming. So, for example, if you want to do business with, if I remember correctly, GitHub, you need to bank with Wori Bank. If you are looking for another exchange, you need to look for the bank that partners with it. One important remark, however, is that you cannot trade in fiat, so that is to say Korean won, and you cannot also convert your cryptocurrency into fiat. So the first thing that they should know is, first of all, the limitations that I just discussed about. It's a good vehicle if your business model only involved crypto to crypto trade. If you're, however, looking to convert, for example, your crypto into fiat, for this you cannot do with a corporate vehicle. You will need to partner with a Korean national. First important point to keep in mind. Second important point, it's that Korean banks are reluctant to onboard businesses with foreign shareholders and foreign directors. So it's very useful, not always necessary, but still very recommended to have a local director and shareholder with a Korean national. We can assist you to source one if need be. Last point that you need to be aware is that cryptocurrency regulation in Korea change frequently. So what I'm saying today, as of 7th of July, will not necessarily be valid in 1 week, 1 month, and even more 1 year. So we highly recommend to check what is the latest status of regulation with any consultants. And for this, you can email me at simon@anyconsultant.com or contact us directly on our contact us page. Well, it's once again Korea for basically due to the restriction we just discussed, basically as an arbitrage opportunity on Bitcoin that is structural to that market. However, if you're looking to, for example, hold cryptocurrency assets, I would suggest instead to go with UAE, Singapore, or Hong Kong, because Korea from next year onward will tax cryptocurrency trading under the standard corporate income tax rate. So it makes more sense to go to another jurisdiction such as Singapore, UAE, Hong Kong, where if properly structured, the local company can be exempt legally from local taxes. I recommend everybody to like this video if you enjoyed it, and to subscribe to our YouTube channel.